Good morning, students. Today I am explain the lesson family. That means I revise the lesson. Already in social subject, social is one of the part of EVS. In social, there are 3 lessons are completed now. Which are the 3 lessons? Family, community, and community games. Children, in second week of October, we conduct the first round test. On this purpose, we revise the lessons once again. And also, today I explain the first lesson or revise the first lesson, family. Already I explained in previous class. On test purpose, once again we recall the what you learn in family. What are the important factors we learn in this lesson. And also I explain, read the classwork once again. So what is family? Family means, what is family? What do you learn in this lesson? In this lesson we learn about what is family, what are the importance of family, and who are the members of the family, and what is family tree, and also relationship between the families and structure of the family and types of family and their futures. So these are all the important things we learn in this lesson. So the relationship and what is family? Father, mother and children make a family. Understood? What is family? Father, mother and children make a family. Who are the parents? Father, mother are called as our parents. So there is in first page there is given a family tree. So they are identify the two signs. Square, that is a male signal, and circle, it is a female. Understood? The family tree is explained in this lesson. How to write the family tree. There are 4 generations. Give the example here. So first generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation. The square symbol, the square for men and the circle symbol for women. So in this family, in your chapter, page number 20, all of you open the page number 20. There is one of the example for family tree. That is the Manu's family tree. Understood? How many generations are there? There are 4 generations. How many generations? 4 generations. They are all live together in a same house. They have meals together. They celebrate the festivals, the functions. They get to love for our great grandfather, grandmother. All are take care from one to another and respect. This type of the more than two generations live together in a same house is called joint family. Understood? What is joint family? More than two generations living together in the same house is called joint family. The four members in the family, that means father, mother and children. There are two generations live together is called nuclear family. What is the family tree? Indicates that family tree indicates the many generations spread out and grow just like a many branches of a tree. What is family tree? Family tree indicates that many generations spread out and grow just like the many branches. Family is very important for every children because they're taking care and protection, give the protection, they give the good education for childrens, provide the provisions for food, teach the lessons, show the love and affection, provide the necessities. So grandmothers, grandparents tell the stories, and also they told us how to behave. So in this way the family is like a school. It guides the children how to behave in societies with others. So mother, father and the grandparents role is very important in family. Understood it? All these the relatives and friends, how to help each other, how to respect each other. These are all the important things we learn in this lesson. Next, children, we learn about what do you write in classwork. So I think all of you complete the classwork now. All of you open your classwork. I read all the mails. You listen carefully because second round test started second week of October. So there are 20 keywords. Keywords means hard words in this lesson. First you learn all these hard words. It is easy to learn the other means. First word education. 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 D is silent. Education. No, you read like pronounce like this. Education. Marriage. 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 Relationship. Relation. Relationship. Ship. Structure. 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 Nuclear. 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 Family tree. Family. Family. Tree. Generation. 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 Wife. Wife. Husband. 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 Daughter. Daughter. Elder. Elder. Younger. 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 Grandfather. Grandfather. Father. Grandmother. Grandmother. Mother. Mother. Uncle, uncle, uncle. Aunt, aunt, aunt. Nuclear family, nuclear, nuclear family, family. Last one is joint family, joint, joint, family, family. So these are all the keywords. Once again I read the all words. Education, marriage, relationship, structure, nuclear, family tree, generation, wife, husband, daughter, elder, younger, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, nuclear family, joint family. Next main, fill up the blanks. Father's brother is called dash. What do you call father's mother? Uncle. uncle. All the dash of a family live together. Members. 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 A small family is dash family. Happy family. happy. Happy family. A giant family lives together in a big house. A giant family live together in the dash house, big house, big, big house. Write yes or no. Next main is yes or no. The statement is some statements are wrong and some statements are true. You identify the which statement is wrong and true. First one, brother is head of the family. It is a wrong statement, so you write no. Parents love their children. It is a correct, so you write yes. Father sister is called grandmother. No, it is wrong. We should not help each other. That is also wrong. In a joint family, grandparents live in the family. Yes, the statement is correct. Next main, match the following. So there are two columns are given. There are 5 words in first and second column. You match match the correct answer. Understood? Father's father is called B. B is the answer. Grandfather. Father's sister is called aunt. Mother's mother, that is the correct answer is given. Match C. Grandmother. Father's brother, uncle. Mother's sister, children, cousin. Understood? Once again I repeat. Father's father, grandfather. Father's sister, aunt. Mother's mother, grandmother. Father's brother, uncle. Mother's sister, children, cousin. Understood? Next main, answer the following. What makes a family? Father, mother, children make a family. Second one. Who are your parents? Father, mother and father are our parents. Our wrong. That is family is important. Right, parents. What is the joint family? Joint family is made up of grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt and their children. Is joint family. What is a small family? A family has one or more children is called small family. Understood? What does the word family tree indicate? The word family tree indicate that many generations spread out and grow just like many branches of tree. Understood? The word family tree indicates that many generations spread out and grow just like the many branches of tree. What are the disadvantages of big family? A big family is not as happy as small family. Its members get few comforts for themselves. The children in it cannot get as good education as those in small family. Understood? What are the disadvantages of the big family? A big family is not a happy as a small family. Its members get fewer comforts from themselves. The children in it cannot get as good education as those in small family. Understood? These are all the question and answers. Children, first you learn. Read the all the means 4 or 5 times. Then you practice in rough note. Afterwards, you write the questions in rough note and close the classwork and write all the mains without seeing the classwork. This is the way of learning. You practice like this, you get a good marks. Understood? I think all of you understand about this lesson. Till now, take care, be safe, goodbye. Thank you.